Calm down, I'm fixing it.
Hey? Welcome, MiniFans, to another exciting MotoGP season! We are at Sepang to bring you all the updates for 2025! So, put your helmets on, get on the bike, because... As every year, we are going to explain what is new! Like swap between teams, new riders, and much more! We will have all the bikes launched at this test! Not all the bikes, Bob? What am I doing on the track? This is very dangerous! About time! Much safer here! We are going to talk about the new riders this season! Like Fermin, who is joining Racing. I'm so happy to, but we have to go fast, so next one! Ayagura, another rookie, this time at Trackhouse. What do you expect for this season? My goal is to slow, next one! Some kids are the hand with us here, and we're wondering, when are you going to reveal your library? Not yet! Alright, no one is here, so I can talk about riders' movement for this year. It's very simple, it's just 1 hour later. And that's it, the Illuminati will MotoGP. You're quite simple, right?
Bob is crazy, so let's make it simple. Let's start with those teams with a new lineup, like Aprilia, who has the world champion Martin and Bezzecchi, Pramac, who hired Miller and Oliveira, and Tectra, who has Viñales and Bastianini, and the other riders who moved were Marquez to Ducati, Acosta to Red Bull KTM, and Morbidelli to Pertamina.
Hey, here's what I said! And let's talk about what happened at the Sepang test! Mark with Ducati, I'm sure he will be the challenger and... Hey, wait! Yamaha on top, The Red Devil is back! Bob, you're wrong, I'm not red, I'm green! Nah, never mind, a small mistake. Wow, look, Martin is on his flying lap! Wow! Yes, but flying lap, but to the hospital. The next day... Second day and Morbidelli is on top! Amazing for Pertamina! Hey, but wait! Where is his teammate Gian Antonio? Injured like Martin. Bob, stop talking. You're sending riders to the hospital. The next day... Hey, I had the best time of the Sepang test! All aboard the Alex Neta! Come on, Bob, say something! He's really affected. Quite normal, I sent several riders to the hospital just by talking. And we have the official launch in Bangkok. Everyone is here! Except Martin, Raul, and Gian Antonio. So nothing new to show at this launch event. Except our library for this season. Yeah, finally the grid is completed! And we're at the final test in Thailand. What surprises will MotoGP have for us? Morbidelli is fighting for top position. This is looking good. But both Marquez brothers had the best time of the day. Is this a message to the rest of the grid? Who knows? The next day... And this time it's Bezzecchi on top. What an improvement from Aprilia! And once again Marquez brothers finishing on top. I confirm we will have Marquez dominance this year. How many times do I have to say? This is just a test. Can you please shut up? And Preseason is over. Next time we will see the bikes again will be at the first Grand Prix. Will Marquez win? Will pick a fight for the title again? Will Martin stay as the champion? Or will Yamaha Honda be on top? Too many questions and only one season ahead. But the real question is, will it be my victory? I want to have fun.